Best affiliate programs of 2021, big payouts for beginners. This is video 2 of 3. If you haven't watched video 1, you want to go back and watch video 1, but you could watch this first. They don't necessarily have to be in order. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about affiliate money having to do with recurring payments. In other words, people are paying every single month. If you want to make some money on affiliate stuff, this is the video for you. And if you want to make it every single month from that point forward and not have to keep sending links, this is the video for you. Okay, let's get started. Now, the first thing I want you to do, the big thing you need to do, is smash that subscribe button there and lock it in with a thumbs up. Okay, super important you do that, and turn on all bell notifications so that you're notified every time I go live or I do a new video. So let's get into this recurring payments thing. I like this a lot because I constantly make money off work I did a month ago, 2 months ago, 6 months ago. I keep getting this money in, so it's really cool. And I want to get clear with you on this. These recurring payments, normally on an affiliate link, you send somebody to a page and they pay you if that person buys, and that's the end of the story. But the recurring affiliate pages, what they do is they actually will pay you when somebody buys, and every single month they make a payment thereafter. Now some of these have limitations on them, 12 months, 24 months, whatever, but the point is you keep getting payments. Nothing could be better than that. Okay, the first one I want to talk about is PABBLY. Let's go over there real quick. Here's PABBLY right here. With PABBLY affiliate program, you can earn a 30% lifetime recurring commission on every single sale, and that's pretty amazing. They use cookie period of 30 days and offer payments within 40 days. A little bit of a slower payout, but that's okay. The next one I want to tell you about is BUZZSPROUT. This popular podcast host offers 20% recurring payout, and then even provide new users with a $20 Amazon gift card to help increase conversion rates. I support BUZZSPROUT, and I think they're a really good platform to be in. The next one is THINKIFIC, and it really is a online course platform. They offer 20% recurring, and you can get paid every single month into the thousands of dollars, so that's pretty cool. Next one is IPVANISH. This is a recurring affiliate also. They're in the VPN industry. They have an outstanding affiliate manager, and I think you would really be happy with them. Next one is MOOSEND. MOOSEND is a popular email marketing tool, and their affiliate program offers 30% recurring commissions. They also have a super helpful affiliate manager and lengthy 120-day cookie duration, which is really high in the market right now. Next one, NETPEAK software. NETPEAK software develops tools for professional search engine marketing specialists. NETPEAK Spider and NETPEAK Checker. They offer up to 30% recurring rate, and average income per active affiliate is about $100 to $2,000 a month. They also provide dedicated support and shareable promo codes to help generate leads, so they're really good. Next one I want to talk about is AMOCRM. It's a messenger-based customer relationship management tool. Their program offers 35% recurring commission right out of the gate, and it doesn't expire, which is really kind of crazy. Plus that number is bumped up to 50% once you reach $10,000 as a partner. That's amazing. Next one, Lead Pages. I used to use Lead Pages. I now use Kartra, but they're still a good platform. They're famous for landing page builders that helps people build dedicated web pages and forms with call to actions. Their affiliate program provides a repeating 30% commission, which is great. Next one up, Teachable. And I got to say something about Teachable and all these course platforms. They are just getting bigger and bigger, guys. You got to really get involved with these. Teachable is an online course platform that allows bloggers and website owners to build their classes and to sell to their students. They offer a 30% repeating payout every single month. The next one is GetResponse. GetResponse is a really great email marketing service. They offer 33% recurring commissions, and they are another excellent email marketing affiliate program. Next one up, SEMRUSH. SEMRUSH is an influential SEO tool website owners can use to track keywords, conduct site audits, view competitive insights. Their program is called BRush. I wonder where they got that from. And they offer their affiliate partners a 40% commission. Next one is AWEBER. AWEBER is an email marketing software. I used to use AWEBER. I don't now. I use Kartra. I would recommend Kartra. However, AWEBER is a good program, and you know what I use is not good for everybody. They do offer a 30% recurring rate, which is also good. Next one up here is CONVERTKIT. CONVERTKIT is one of the favorite marketing tools, and it's great for bloggers. They have a visual automation builder, and you can create triggers based on website actions and actions inside of emails. I know a guy who runs their program, and they offer a 30% commission. Next one up is PROMOREPUBLIC. PROMOREPUBLIC, it's an excellent social media management and scheduling tool. They offer up to a 30% sale and an average income per active affiliate of $400 to $1,500 a month. They also provide bonuses for top performers and share coupons to help generate sales. Next one, Elegant Themes. Elegant Themes is for WordPress. They have a library of 87 easy to use themes with over 550,000 customers. So if you're a blogger, you want to recommend themes to your readers, you can send traffic to this Elegant Themes product and get high ticket 50% recurring payout. Next one, NINJAOUTREACH. Now NINJAOUTREACH is an all-in-one influencer marketing tool. Not my thing, but that doesn't mean it won't work for you. It helps you perform outreach and find influencer emails and addresses, build email lists, and grow your own content promotion offers. They used to offer 50% recurring, but now they're down to 20%. Next one up, SPYFU. I've known of SPYFU for probably 10 years. It's another SEO tool focused on competitive insights. You can use their tool to download data on a competitor's top organic and paid keywords. They feature a 40% persistent payment. Next one, I used to use this one a lot, ClickFunnels. I now use Kartra, but ClickFunnels is certainly a good software. It's very popular as a landing page builder. They offer a 40% payout on all sales. They have a lot of different ads and courses that you can look at, and they promote an intuitive dashboard which you can use to grab your links. Let's go over again this payment that's recurring. It doesn't just occur once, but repeatedly, as long as your commissioned user is still paying customer. Recurring income payments pay their commissions monthly because of the customer retention rate. Most recurring programs are software such as Service as a software. These are people who are going to require a monthly subscription anyhow to keep their business going. With monthly subscriptions, a customer's lifetime value is much higher than a monthly sale price, as they continue paying every single month until they churn or they go away. Now, there are pros and cons to a one-time payment versus recurring payments. Generally, if it's a one-time payment, then you're going to get a much higher commission. You're going to make a whole lot more money on those clicks, on those purchases. The downside to one-time payments is that it's one time, so it's hard to control how much money you're going to make a month because it goes away after that one payment. Now, if we look at recurring payments, you're going to make a whole lot less in the beginning, and since you're going to make less in the beginning, if they churn or they leave, that's going to go away pretty quick. However, the pros are you're going to get recurring payments. So most people who promote affiliate offers for recurring payments will promote something that like a business needs to have every month. Like Kartra, I promote Kartra. If you buy Kartra and you put your business on Kartra, you got to have Kartra every month. You got to pay Kartra every single month, and since you got to pay them every single month, I make money every single month, which is a good thing. But it's also a great product, and you're going to make money every single month if you were to buy Kartra through me, which you should do, because there's a link down there for Kartra. If you click on that link, you can watch a video, see all it does. Once you see what it does, you're going to want it, trust me. And you can get it through me for only $1. I am an affiliate for Kartra. Now, real quick, I want to go over some travel affiliate programs. Travel is really starting to come back in the world now, and I think these are going to be terribly popular, so let's go over and check those out right now. TripAdvisor is one of them. They've got hotels, travel platforms like Expedia, airlines, vacation packages, all that. So if you're a travel blogger with an audience of loyal readers, hey, this is probably something you're going to want to check out. You can integrate hotel bookings into your website, choose specific destinations, showcase properties, and especially if you're a travel blogger, you can just stick that in there. Now, what I'd like to do, as opposed to getting into every single one, I just want to show you a chart of some of the ones that are available. So let's go over to that. TripAdvisor gives you 15%, 14 days cookie duration. Travel payouts is up to 80% with 30 days cookie. Expedia is 2 to 6%, really on the low end, but they're very popular. 7-day payouts. Marriott is 3 to 6% with 7 days. Travelocity is 2 to 4% for 45 days. Priceline 3 to 5%. and they are 30 days. Hotels.com 4% 7 days, Hilton 4% 7 days, Hotwires 2% 7 days, and Booking.com is 4%. And on the browser close, that cookie disappears, so that goes away pretty darn quick. And we might as well wrap this up with some financial stuff, some credit cards and all that good stuff too, right? So let's go over to bank rate credit cards. There are 2.69 cards for every person in the United States, so everybody has some kind of credit cards. So it is a good space to get into. You can do bank rate credit cards. You can do CPM, CPC, CPL, and CPA offers based on the type of credit cards. You can also go to bankaffiliates.com. So if you go to bankaffiliates.com, you can find some more offers there. Credit.com has a lot of them, so you can go over to credit.com and check that out. Also Commission Soup, you may want to check out Commission Soup, another good site to find a lot of affiliate offers. And get this, even Equifax, yes, Equifax, you can go to Equifax and make money as an affiliate for them too. Their commission is $10 to $40 and the cookie duration is 30 days on that. If you want to get into insurance, Liberty Mutual, you've seen that ad run plenty of times. They also have an affiliate program and they pay by lead. It's $3 to $17 per lead. Also, if you're into bookkeeping, QuickBooks, you can promote QuickBooks, you can be an affiliate there too. Their commission is 7%, which is not bad, and the cookie is for 45 days. And let's not leave out TransUnion, right? The credit bureau. TransUnion also has an affiliate program. Their commission is $20 and it's for 45 days. And if that's not enough, if I haven't given you enough ways to make money, I'm going to give you one more, and that is health and fitness. So let's check out some of the other ones here. We've got Ace Fitness, which is 8% 30 days. You got bodybuilding.com, which is 5 to 15% 9 days for the cookie duration. Bowflex 7% 3 days. Life Fitness is 8% for 30 days. Proform is 8 to 11% for 30 days, and TRX Training is 8% for 30 days. So that should give you a way to make some moolah. Okay, you've got a lot of different ways you can go, a lot of different affiliates out there. You know what the commissions are, you know what they pay, you know what's going to fit your niche. Make sure you pick something that fits your niche. If you start sending links, you know, for credit cards to people who are watching you make recipes, they're not going to understand that. It's going to look weird, and they're probably going to quit watching you or quit reading your blog. So make sure you don't do that. Find stuff that just fits. And it's not like you can't. There's plenty of affiliate programs out there that will match almost any niche. Now we're going to head over to the next video, which is video 3 in the series. We're going to look at hair and makeup and all fashion and all those things that you may be interested in. We're also going to look at gaming and music and financial, and yeah, for some of you out there, even the crypto coin. So let's run over to video 3. If you haven't watched 1, guys, you want to go back and watch 1. We're heading over to 3 now. You will find links to all those videos in the description below. So let's head over to video 3. I appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video. And yeah, don't forget to put comments down there. What else do I need you to do? I need you to give me a thumbs up. Yeah, that was the other thing. Give me a thumbs up. Put that thumbs up there. It only takes you a second. I would really appreciate that. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.